Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video of How to Guide. In this video, I am going to show you how can you fix if your Instagram is keep reloading your Instagram page for forever. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Before going into the solution, let's know what can cause this problem. The first one is the network connection, and the second one is the app cache of your browser. And the third and very common reason for it is your outdated app version. To solve the first issue, check your internet connection is working properly or not. And in order to solve the second and most common reason into here, open your browser into your computer where you are using the Instagram, go to the settings and from there clear your browser cache. Then after that your Instagram will probably start working correctly and properly. And the third and last solution you should try is to update your outdated version of Instagram. Then after updating the application, then it will start to work faster than the rocket. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.